In this video, I'll show you how to download code or your project from Lovable without connecting it to GitHub. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, you can use the link in the description to get 25 credits absolutely free. Here I am on my Lovable dashboard. Let's say I want to download this Elite Fitness Hub project. If I open it, you might know that the official method to download your code files or entire project is by first connecting it to GitHub. Once you deploy all your project files to GitHub, you can download the code as a zip file. However, this is a lengthy process. You need to first connect your Lovable account to GitHub, then connect your particular project to GitHub, and then download your code files. If you want to skip this process and instantly download your code, there's another method. As you might know, whenever you create a project on Lovable, you have the code option at the top. However, there's no option to download the entire codebase in a single click. But there's another option. You can go into each individual file and use the download option at the top. As you can see, every file, including code files and other assets, has a download option. You could manually go through each file, download them, and arrange them according to their folder structure, but this takes a lot of time. So we'll automate the downloading process with a Chrome extension that automatically downloads all files and arranges them in the proper sequence. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Lovable Project Downloader. You'll see an extension by nextlovable.com. Click on it, click Get, then click Add Extension and wait a few seconds for the extension to be added to your browser. As you can see, we've successfully added this extension. Now go back to the project or web app you want to download. Once you're on the project page, click on the extensions icon at the top and you'll see the extension. Click on it and you'll see an option to download project as zip. Click on it and wait a few seconds while the extension fetches all your project files, compresses them into a zip, and automatically downloads the file. As you can see, here's our downloaded zip folder containing all our code files and the entire project. If I click on it and open it, you can see it has completely downloaded all our files and arranged them in the proper sequence. You can now use these files to make changes, deploy to Vercel or any other platform, or run the project locally. That's all for this video. If you want to know how to run any Lovable project locally on your PC, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.